Hello everyone, I am Shubham Sharma from Thapar University Patiala. As a part of Engage program, we have to design something that solves a problem related to academic in an online mode. The name of my application is MS Learn and it meets the above spoken requirement. I have done so using Node.js, Express.js for backend and React and Redux for frontend. Coming to my workflow, in the first sprint design, I created the template for all the screens that I am going to implement it through React. Sprint 2 backend build, I set up a backend server and created a various routes that can be called through frontend according to the action performed. Sprint 3 front to back integration, I set up a React application using that template that I have created in the Sprint 1 and use Axios to create a request to the server from frontend, and the data persistent and global state is handled by Redux. Extra features that I have implemented is user authentication using Passport.js for extra protection and protected route for secure access. Discussion window for the peers to discuss their doubts about their subjects. Now I will be giving you the live demo about my application. So let's start with the demonstration of our app. This is a landing page and this is a login page for the teacher and the student. Let's register our teacher first. Let's teacher name will be Shubham Sharma, in department computer engineering. He is opted for all the three subjects. Designation is professor. Password is 2345. Submit. In the same way I can register a student as well, so I have registered one student. So let's log in as teacher first, and now let's log in as student. So we have teacher and student ready. Let's demonstrate the application. Let's go to the subject part of the teacher, and this is the subject part of the student. Here you can see this is the subject part. As teacher can upload the assignment as well. Let's go upload the assignment, adding name, description and the link to the drive where the assignment has been uploaded. Okay, and here you can see the assignment has been uploaded, so that student can see the assignment. Here you can see the notification that demo assignment for the cybersecurity has been added. Same notification has been gone to the teacher as well, and we can go to the assignment, check the assignment in the given link and upload the answer as well in the same way that the assignment has been submitted. Okay, and after that we can see the response of the assignment. By going there we can check the response in the same way, and after checking the response we can award the assignment. And after awarding the assignment we can see the green tick that we have responded to the assignment, and assignment will be moved from grading in progress to the graded section with the given grade. And teacher can also delete the assignment. If they delete the assignment will be removed and also removed from here. So if teacher uploaded some other assignment, suppose any assignment, assignment submit. Okay, and suppose after 2 days he has marked it as graded. Okay, then this student had didn't submitted that assignment, so assignment will be moved in missed section. And if the teacher is trying to delete the assignment by submitted by the teacher, he will find that error, this kind of error you can say. So this is all the workflow of the assignment this portal, and all the things are working like notification and all. Here we can see I also implemented discussion section where teacher can go and also the student can go and write their name and subject and join the room accordingly. Here you can see Shubham has joined the chat, enter and send the messages in the same way. Yeah, leave the room. So this is the functionality of this application. So this is all about my app. I would like to thank my mentor Adnan Nazir for their constant support and Microsoft for this great event.